Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I just wanted to do some random swatches of 4 beautiful Sally Hansen Instadri nail polishes that I haven't shared on my YouTube channel yet. And because Valentine's Day is just around the corner and simply said I just love pink tones, I felt like I wanted to do a little extra swatcheroo kind of video, share some cute little polishes and kind of clear out my desk a little bit more as well, because I have a ton of nail polishes that I still have to swatch, review, do videos on, nail polish of the week videos and full on collection videos as well. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do today, and I do feel like these 4 colors are pretty matchy and pretty cute together as well, so I already have some Valentine's Day nail art inspiration. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so, and of course become a part of my little nail family as well, and also hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, which is at least 3 times a week. But yeah, on forehand off camera I have applied a base coat to the 4 nails that I'm going to do these swatches on. This is just a random base coat that I love to use all the time. And the first color we are going to swatch and review is number 263, Racing Rose. As I mentioned, all of these polishes are from the Sally Hansen Instadri collection. I am not sponsored or anything like that. To actually make this video, I purchased these myself. They are about €6 here in the Netherlands and they are fast drying, have just great pigmentation, and they're pretty easy to get by as well. I can just get them at my local drugstore. But this first color is one that I have worn a lot already, even before recording this video, which is, by the way, recorded at the beginning of December 2020. I had already recorded this video, but simply didn't have enough time to schedule it in. Other projects got in the way, had to be uploaded and edited first, you know. That's just life getting in the way, and just good planning is something you have to do if you want to do YouTube videos 3 times a week at least. But yeah, it is a really cute light baby pink color. The next one is 273. This one is Pink Blink. It is a little bit of a darker, deeper baby pink color than the previous one. Also, I love wearing this one. Also have worn it a lot, just in daily life and in between manicure and so on. I think it's really cute. And yeah, I just love my pinks. I can't help myself. I love pink nail polishes, and especially softer baby pink kind of tones like these. I really love them. I really love dusty rose kind of colors as well, more towards the nude kind of tone spectrum, if you know what I mean. But this one is quite cute as well. So I am actually doing just one coat of all 4 colors first, so you can see what the first coat is all about and kind of visualize for yourself, whether you have longer or shorter nails than I do, what the colors will look like on your own nails with just one coat. I do prefer to apply thin layers, so yeah, if it's a little bit splotchy, it is what it is. The next color is actually 213, Mauve It. It is a really, really nice color. I felt like this is a little bit of a dusty, peachy kind of tone, I'd say. I didn't really feel like it was a mauve kind of color. There is some very, very subtle sparkle or shimmer going on in this polish, but I didn't feel like it really transferred onto the nail. It is just simply pretty much only visible on the brush and inside of the bottle. There is just a little bit of shimmerness going on the nail, but it's not really worth mentioning. It isn't really noticeable in daily life if you're going to wear this for a full-on manicure. It is in there, but it's just not really in your face or anything like that, which isn't a bad thing. It is a really nice color on its own, and it is pretty opaque with that first coat already. The next color is actually not a peachy pink or a pink or anything like that. It is a soft brownish tone. This one is Slick Slate. It is completely creamy. It is quite opaque as well. It is just one of those colors which is perfect to use as a nail art base, or maybe like some nail art accent colors or something like that. I think this is just one of those polishes that is, I don't know, it's just great to have a polish like this in your collection. Once again, it is quite opaque with that first coat, but very manageable as well. I didn't really feel like the substancy of these Instadri polishes was super thick or super watery or anything like that. It just has a nice substancy. And yeah, opaque wise, it's not bad at all, especially for a drugstore polish, and it is quite fast drying as well. Sally Hansen Instadri polishes are supposed to dry within 60 seconds. I don't really feel like that is the way it actually goes. It definitely needs like 2, maybe 3 minutes before it's completely dry, because otherwise you will definitely have some dents in your nails, or at least in your manicure. So yeah, they are quite fast drying, but they aren't like super fast drying. But back to the video and the footage and so on, I am already going in with the second layer. As you could see, I swatched the second coat of this first color like right after I had applied the first coat of the fourth color. So once again, they do dry pretty fast, but it's not within 60 seconds. But yeah, the second coat of that first color is just really gorgeous, and that is also the reason why this color is one of my favorites. It is super opaque in just 2 coats. The second one, the little bit more of like a darker baby pink color, it got a little bit like patchy around the cuticle area, but that was my bad. I actually overworked the polish a little bit too much, but in real life for a regular manicure, I would definitely just leave it like this, because it is pretty much opaque to the eye, if you know what I mean. So I wouldn't go in with a third coat. It is pretty much opaque for the most part. But yeah, I love this color. It is super girly, super cute, and once again perfect for nail art as well, or just to wear it on its own. But let's continue with this third color, which once again is pretty much opaque with that second layer. You don't need a lot of product either. It is like pretty much good to go with 2 coats. I do think that if you have shorter nails and you don't have a free edge or natural smile line or anything like that, you're pretty much just safe with 1 thicker coat. Of course, you will have to wait a little longer for the polish to be completely dry, but other than that, I think these polishes are not bad at all opaque wise. They are price wise pretty decent as well. I feel like €6 is definitely on the higher side when it comes to drugstore polishes, but the quality is quite nice in my opinion. And trust me when I say I have tried my fair share of drugstore polishes, which were or really good, quite mediocre, or really bad. So yeah, I have tried so many polishes. I don't even know how many, but I do know what is a good polish, and I do feel like €5.99 in euros for a bottle isn't bad at all. These are like 9 milliliters or almost 10 milliliter bottles as well. So yeah, I think they are worth the money. And then the final color I have already swatched. As you can see, it is completely opaque with that second coat as well. And yeah, I pretty much like it. Once again, for very nice, decent colors for a pretty decent price as well. I really love how opaque these are. I really love how they apply. So yeah, nothing bad from my part, I'd say. But yeah, let me know what you think about these colors. Are these colors you would wear yourself? Maybe you already have some. But yeah, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. As usual, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and yeah, I'd love to see you in one of my next videos.